My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Iowd. Iowd is the ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. Surely my video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Iowd ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. After users restart their computers, they suddenly realize that something really bad has taken place with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore because of this Iowd ransomware. So the ransomware encrypts files and appends this Iowd extension additionally to the file names. The ransomware also tells its victims to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application, and then after it gets successfully installed, start researching the system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove all other threats, including this ransomware. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will begin. But of course, most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the system. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully accomplished. The summary of the threats at the end of the scanning will give you the information about the name of the threats, their exact locations. Even though some threats can indeed be removed manually, we believe that upgrading to Premium is the best solution to keep your files always protected from further ransomware attacks. And you may always request a free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner.